guys, Tim also with DragBoss Garage. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome, Mrs. DragBoss.
Hi.
To DragBoss Garage.
Nice.
Nice to have you as a guest here.
On your camera, on
yes.
your video.
Thank you so much for helping me here. But this video is kind of special. I hooked up with a guy named Montana Howerton. Now he owns Howerton Performance along with some family members, and they build electronic switchboards. You got to see it to believe it. And what you just saw on this before I came in here talking was this exact setup being made by Howerton Performance. So it's a family-owned company with family values. So thank you, Montana, for hooking up DragBoss Garage and Mrs. DragBoss. Because what we're gonna do, this switch panel, we might as well open it up because Montana said he's never seen anybody open up a box before on camera. So I figured we might as well do it. But they specialize in switch panels. And I don't know how many, up to probably easily 8 switches or more. But you can have water pump, ignition, power, electric fan, whatever. Some of them are solid state relays. You want to specify that. They make all different stages of, so to speak, starter kits, basic kits, right down to something that's 100% ready to put in your car, including all the wires labeled. So they do great work in regards to that. It'd be nice to have a guy like that around here where you could just bring your car, he could wire the whole car. Something like that is worth paying for. So it's taped, it's in a nice size box. Look at this, great packing.
Oh wow.
Some instructions, I can't read that.
Just
this is
says
DragBoss.
8 relay board and 6 switch panel kit. And then it goes on about the kit.
Howerton Performance Wiring Specialist. Montana, his family, I know his sister works with him and actually made this board, so thank you. But yeah, it's packaged well, look at that.
And then it lists the outputs, each output.
Okay.
Start, ignition 1.
Start, ignition 1, ignition 2, fuel, water, fan 1 and 2, and line lock. That's how I wanted mine set up. Now this is going in Mrs. DragBoss's car. So this will be the setup. She wanted a push button type starter. That looks like the switch panel. Yep.
Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah. They all have little lights on them. Nice weather packed like Deutsch connector. Look at this baby. Come on now, man.
That's heavy duty.
Oh yeah. Nice switch.
Oh wow. To the board.
Bam, hit it. Fuel pump, water pump, electric fan, and line lock. Nice, very quality. This will bolt right in the Mustang dash somehow. I don't know, but it'll look good. There it is. Very nice. Now for you and I, guys, to try to make this setup, okay, I know I would be struggling to make it this nice. And his prices are so affordable, it's not even funny. He works with you. He can make a custom kit any way you want at Howerton Performance. So that is nice. And then obviously this just plugs into here. And you run your wires to here, see? Everything's labeled. Start, ignition, fuel, water, fan. Just like the switch panel, everything's labeled right here. Easy to tie into. So look at that product. I'll put this right up underneath the dash in the Mustang. Yeah. Along with the switch panel, look at that baby. I mean, you can't beat products like this. American made, baby. Howerton Performance. Thanks, Montana. Appreciate it. You'll see this thing bring that Mustang back to life.
Nice.
Packed well, everything we need.
So one button and the engine starts.
Yep, that's our goal. Let's see what's in here.
Water, fan.
Some extra little fuses for the fuse panel for this thing.
Nice
You can
buttons.
empty a box for nice shipping, so it fits
So
perfect.
did it move?
No. Packed well, Montana. Good
Awesome
job. So there's another step, or another piece of the puzzle, I should say. Step in the right direction. So this will make it nice and easy. We'll have that thing wired up nice. So, plus any questions service-wise, he's there to help you. He'll hook you up, and you'll be good to go. Don't forget, Howerton Performance. I'll put a link on here. You can get a hold of him, and I appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned to DragBoss Garage, where you never know what you're going to see or learn. Right, Mrs.
Right.
DragBoss? We better
Stay
get
tuned.
Yeah, we better get moving on your Mustang.
Let's go. I'm ready.
All right.